Oh no, my hair looks terrible.
What? Your hair looks fine.
No, look at it. It's messy. It's too long.
Messy? Too long? Maybe a little.
What should I do? What should I do?
Let me guess. It's the big party tonight. Yes, I can't go like this. It's a hair disaster. Relax, Emma. Don't panic. You just need a little help. A little help? I need a miracle. Don't panic. It's just hair.
Just hair? It's my life.
Your life? Come on. I feel ugly today. You are not ugly. You are beautiful. No, look, my hair looks like a bird's nest. A bird's nest? That's funny. I'm serious. What should I do? Easy. Let's go to the beauty center. The beauty center? Yes, the beauty center. They can help you. Do you think so? Yes, of course. A haircut, a wash, maybe a new style. Maybe you're right. Come on, Emma, let's go. Sarah, are you sure about this? Yes, Emma, it will be fun. But what if they laugh at my hair? No one will laugh. They see crazy hair every day. Every day? Yes, it's normal here. Bad hair is their job. What if I say the wrong thing? Don't worry. I'll help you. Just say, I want a haircut, please. I want a haircut, please. Okay, I can do that. See? Easy. Are you sure it's not too expensive? Don't worry. We can ask the price first. Okay, but if I come out looking like a pineapple, I blame you. Deal. But you'll look like a beautiful pineapple. A stylish pineapple. Hello. We'd like some help, please.
Of course. What do you need today?
I just want a quick trim. Nothing big.
Sure. Just a trim. And you?
I want a haircut, please?
No problem. First time here?
Yes. First time ever in a beauty center.
Wow, first time. You're very welcome. We'll take good care of you.
Thank you. I hope I still look like me after? She's scared they'll turn her into a cat. Hey, I just don't want a pink mohawk, okay?
No pink mohawks today, I promise. What kind of haircut would you like?
Something simple, just a bit shorter, not too short.
Got it. Just to tidy up. Would you like a hair wash first?
Wash? Oh, okay.
Yes, please. Great. Please sit over there. Someone will help you soon.
Is it too late to run? Yes, you're officially in Hair Zone now. Hair Zone? Sounds dangerous. Only if you fight the scissors. I surrender. Cut my hair, but gently.
Don't worry. No wild haircuts today. Only beautiful ones.
Okay. I trust you. But please, no pineapple head.
No pineapples. Just pretty.
Told you it would be fine.
Okay, deep breath. I'm ready. I think.
Hi there. Are you ready for your treatment?
Yes, I think so. I hope so.
Great. Let's start with a deep cleansing face mask.
A what?
A face mask. It'll clean your skin and feel amazing.
Wait, no. I came for a haircut.
Oh, not a facial?
No, please don't put anything on my face. Just the hair. Only the hair. She almost got a spa day instead. Can you imagine me walking out with green goo on my face?
That sounds like a good day to me.
Not today. I'm already nervous about scissors. Let's not add slime to the mix.
Don't worry. No slime, no cucumbers, just hair.
Good. This is the only thing that needs help. Well, and maybe your fashion sense. Hey, I like my flamingo t-shirt. Exactly my point.
You two are funny. Okay, just a haircut then.
Yes, just a haircut. Nothing scary, please.
Got it. Simple haircut. No spa, no surprises.
Okay, deep breath. I can do this.
You're in good hands. Just relax and enjoy.
Relax. Right. Easy for you to say. I'm trusting you with my hair.
You'll walk out smiling, I promise.
As long as I don't walk out bald.
Don't worry. You'll look fresh, not fruity.
All right. Let the makeover begin.
All done. Ready to see your new look?
Oh no, I don't know. Am I ready? Come on, look at the mirror. Okay, here we go. Wait, is that me? Yes, it's you! And wow, you look amazing! My hair, it's so soft and shiny.
We trimmed it, shaped it, and added some shine spray.
I look like I know what I'm doing with my hair now. You finally look like a grown-up. Hey, I was cute before, just wild. Wild is an understatement. I love it. I really love it.
I'm so glad. You were a brave first-timer.
Thank you. I was scared at first, but now I feel, wow, I feel confident. Told you, new hair, new power. This is the best I've looked in months.
You look fresh, happy, and stylish. That's the goal.
I can't stop touching it. Well, don't mess it up. We're going out later. Right. Now I'm actually excited for the party. Mission makeover complete. More like mission miracle. I can't believe this is me. My hair feels so good. See, I told you. No more bad hair days. You were right. I'm glad I came. Say it again. Okay. I'm glad I came. Much better. At first, I was scared, really scared. But now, I feel happy. That's the Beauty Center magic. I learned something today. Oh? What did you learn? That trying new things is good and sometimes really fun. Exactly. New things can surprise you. Next time, maybe I'll even try the face mask. Green goo and cucumbers? Yes, why not? No fear now. Look at you, a new Emma. New hair, new me. And the moral is, don't be afraid to try something new. Now, let's go show the world my amazing hair. Yes, let's make everyone jealous. Best day ever!